Hello dudes! Today we will unbox and assemble one revolutionary product. It's called silicone dough or TPA dough. The two things you need to prepare before you open the box is you need baby powder, very important to preserve the dough, and nice dress because you don't know the clothes she comes with. Now, let's get started. Oh, and I will not say where I take it from. This is the cheapest model on the market I couldn't find. But even 500 euro is a lot of money for me. So I will not say where I bought it from. If any shop or company have a extra dough which is full size because the cheap version is only 100 centimeters, could be whatever. If it's full size, could be alien or witch or any gothic cosplay stuff. I don't mind, but I would like to present to you a full grown woman. If you want to give me for presentation, this is my email, kioz2 klomba abv biggie. Now let's get started with unboxing. She has been opened, I think. But we'll see. Well, we have blankets, nice blanket. I will not show you the naked body because YouTube will delete my video if I do that. So I will just show you what she comes with. Whew. Looks very heavy. Let's see, we said we have a blanket with her. Nice fluffy blanket. This thing must to be the head. Oh, you see, the head comes with the mask to preserve her. Yes, quite nice. Let's see, her hair is here. here we have gloves, some white t-shirts, this is pump of sort, kind of pump. We have something for her hair here. And this is to keep her house warm, nice and cozy. Okay, I believe this is all. So now I gonna pause it. I will apply the powder and give her her dress. After that I will continue. Now I'm done with dressing her and applying the powder. Now let's see the head. And it's very disappointing because I have ordered a different color of nails. The nails are wrong color and I paid extra so she be able to stand on her own, but that's not working. I needed to put something behind her to keep her up. Let's see, the head looks simple enough. Oh. Okay. And let's put her hair on. And the hair is wrong color. I ordered it black. Well, I will not recommend to buy anything from this company. Anyway. Well, she has quite few differences than the picture. The face is not exactly the same. Well, when you order, you take the risk. Have a nice day.